So I got a suggestion from Kee Kee Soto at Urban Girl Gardening. She suggested that I attempt to graft on my severed baby watermelon back to the original plant. I had never heard of that before, but it makes a lot of sense, and I'm going to give it a try. So she suggested to cut it down to where there's life and wrap it snugly. Some of you might know that I'm a physical therapist, so I always have athletic tape on hand. I also have some Durapore, which I may use if the athletic tape isn't strong enough. I cut that part off because the tendril had already dried up and it was starting to scab over. So hopefully that won't be a problem. That will make it a little bit trickier for us to tell when it's ready, but maybe not, because there's a tendril right there. So if it grafts onto it, then shouldn't that tendril take the place of the other one? I would think so. We shall see. I wish I had a third set of hands. I think I'm going to have to take this to my lap. All right, there is our poor little triaged watermelon. He's been taped up, or she's been taped up, and we'll see what happens. I love the sharing and the helpful and creative aspects to the gardening community here on YouTube, and I'm forever thankful and grateful to be a part of it. And I'm so excited for this little experiment. So once again, thank you, Kee Kee from Urban Girl Gardening. Go check out her channel if you haven't already, which if you haven't, you're missing it. Bye guys, happy gardening.